Hello, hello. Welcome to Designs by Bella. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and today I got a great video for you. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, before we get into this video, I want to give a big thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody that came from the old channel to the new channel. Yes, it's a new channel, but it's still me. It's me, but improved. I promise you we will have better content on this channel that we ever had on the other one. I love my other content, but this one, I want to up my ante. Okay. So first of all, thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you like, comment, share, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell so you'll be notified for all my new videos. Share with your friends and family, and make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because when we get to 5,000, I'm going to give away my first giveaway. My very first giveaway. And then when we get to 10,000, I'm going to do another giveaway. And then when we get to 15, we'll give another giveaway. So let's do that. So got that out of the way. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let me show you what I want to do today. And it's a thank you. I want to make something. So I had this flower arrangement. Let's see if you can see it here. It's from Michael's. It's very old. The glue is like falling off. The flowers are very dusty. I had it in my stash for years. It's kind of mismatchy all over the place. It's really falling apart. So what I want to do is, a friend of mine hosted me for dinner and stuff like that, and I was at her house, and she said she's been seeing my videos and stuff, and she said, Bella, I really love your decor. And I have no fall stuff. And I gave her some of my old fall stuff that I don't use anymore. So I wanted to bring her this as a thank you. She liked the vessel. It was very much her style. And I think this is beautiful. It's a beautiful pot. Like something like this at Home Goods would be quite expensive. Now, I know the fall season is almost coming to an end because we're all starting to think about Christmas. But here, let me give you a little tip and trick. Go to your local thrift stores, because a lot of people right now are donating stuff that they're no longer using for fall. So you can find foliage, you can find really pretty pots for the fall, and you know what? You still have time, because Thanksgiving is not done for us yet. So we still have time to do that fall transition, Thanksgiving kind of look. And this is a great idea. So that's why I wanted to bring it to you today. Okay, so I'm gonna point the camera down and we will start rearranging this. I'm gonna take all this out and see what I can save and see what I can throw out. Okay, my sweet friends, as you can see here, I'm really taking a lot out. And what I did notice, that there's a lot of cute pieces of ivy, and those other little florals look really nice. I'll tell you all about that at the end. But for right now, I did decide to keep the sunflowers. I thought it would make a really nice look with the sunflowers and the fall foliage. Now I'm only using 3 right now, and I got 1 more, and you'll see. But I want it to blend and look as pretty as possible. Okay, I do want to put in some pumpkins, because that will make this look even cuter. But wait, you'll see that in a minute. So I'm going to use 1 more pick here, and I'm cutting it. Now, do not throw away the stem, and I'll tell you why. You'll see right now. I am going to take the stem and the pumpkin and cut it in half and skewer the stem into the pumpkin. This gives you a really cute look. Now I'm going to use 2 pumpkins. I'm doing the exact same thing. I would have rathered 3 pumpkins, but I didn't have 3 that coordinated, so that's okay. Now I'm going to fluff this up and we're done. Okay, my friends, so that is it. Isn't this beautiful? What a gorgeous arrangement. It is perfect for the fall. It is perfect for a hostess gift. It is wonderful. Can you imagine showing up at a friend's house with an arrangement like this that cost you almost nothing to make? Almost nothing to make. Search your stash, go to your local thrift stores, go to your Dollar Trees, go to your dollar stores, go to anywhere you can. Use your imagination, think outside the box, and remember, anything you can do it from the heart, and it'll be perfect. I think this turned out really, really cute. I'm very, very excited to give it to my friend, and I hope she loves it. I love it. I think the colors go really well together, and the florals that we took out, I'm gonna clean them up really, really good. And you know what? Me personally, I think these look like spring flowers. So now I have some new spring flowers. There we go. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. There's so many things you can do. Use your creativity to do things like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Thank you for coming to Designs by Bella.